Alright, now the next topic is desktop and its components. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you what is a desktop. When you switch on a computer, Windows starts working it automatically. Now, the first screen that you see, okay, the first screen that you see on your computer is called desktop. Okay, on the desktop, what you can see these icons as you can see right now. So, what is the desktop? After switching on a computer, the first screen that comes up on your monitor with labeled pictures on it. See, labeled. All the names are written, labeled. All the icons have a name. So these are the labeled pictures. Labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Now basically, the desktop is divided into three parts. Now what are those parts? The first part is icons. Now what are icons? These are your icons which you see on the desktop. Okay, this is the first part. Now what are icons? Icons are the small labeled pictures or symbols which is present on the desktop. What are the icons? Icons are the small, these are all small size, small labeled pictures. See, in all the icons, the name is mentioned: HP, network, recycle bin. So these are all the icons with a name on it. Alright, these are all the icons with a name on it. So what are icons? Icons are a small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop. Now these icons are used to open specific programs or the documents. Like here, right now you can see there are so many icons. This icon is for Google Chrome. This is recycle bin icon. Okay, these are all Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel icon, Microsoft Word icon. These are all the PDF files. This is Internet Explorer. This is a game. So these are all the different icons with different names on it. And their work is also different from each other. So the first part of the desktop is icons. The second part of the desktop is taskbar. Now this is the taskbar. This. What is a taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. So this is the bottom. This is the bottom of the desktop. So where do you find the desktop? Where do you find the taskbar? The taskbar you will find on the bottom of the desktop, and it is a long horizontal bar. So this is a horizontal. This is a horizontal. So what is a taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar present on the desktop. Now basically a taskbar is divided into three parts. The first is start button. This is start button. Okay, this is start button. Then you have the notification area. This is notification area where you see the time and date, you see the battery button, this is your internet button and all. And the last one is show desktop button. Okay, this is show desktop button. And you also see quick launch toolbar. In the quick launch toolbar, you will see those icons which are most frequently used. From here, you can directly open those applications, those programs. Okay. Now, what is a start button? Start button is a button through which we can access to different other programs. Like, for example, let me click on the start button. See, the moment I click, I have the access of all the programs which are there in my computer, all programs. You can see from here I can open any program which I want. Alright, so start button has the access of all the programs which are there in my computer. So what is a desktop? Desktop is when we switch on a computer, the Windows starts automatically. So the first screen that appears with the labeled pictures is called desktop. Now desktop is divided into three parts: icons, taskbar, start button. What are icons? Icons are the small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop. What is a taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. And what is a start button? Start button is a button through which we can access to other programs.